What's up? Welcome back. I used my trusty clear wood finish spray can to make a flat slab. I'm going to make the superior Vena Cava. Cut this in half, and I'm going to make the superior Vena Cava first, and then the inferior Vena Cava in the next video. I'm using my ocarina stick as a straight edge, and as always, I'm making a trapezoid for my structures here, because I want the top to be narrower than the bottom. Okay, put a little water, get it wet, compress those clay particles before I start to bend them. Bend this clay one time. Sorry, get this. Oh no, my heart, my heart. It's okay, it's okay. It will heal. Oh. Let's score up this tube. Get this on camera. One time I dropped a ceramic piece and while I was loading it, one of my pieces, and it shattered, and I had to put it back together with vinegar and patience, but it can be done. Okay. So I'm gonna cut this. Let's focus on the heart. Thank you. I'm gonna cut this right about where my index finger is here. And I think I'm just gonna make that my inferior Vena Cava. Oh, no, I can't, because maybe I can make the bottom my inferior Vena Cava. The inferior Vena Cava is a much larger diameter tube than the superior Vena Cava, but maybe, keep doing this off camera, sorry about that. Maybe I can get a 2-for-1, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, this guy could go here. I'm gonna have to cut it at an angle because I want it to go more straight up. Okay, I can have that guy. Is that big enough? Oh yeah, I think that'll work. Sweet. Okay. So right now, the end of my superior Vena Cava is not at the right angle. I want it to be pretty vertical. But in order to attach to the right atrium, which is, let me focus, which is round, I've got to cut a round shape out of this. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now I've got my seam side here. So of course I need to strengthen that seam with top compression and lateral compression as always. Cool. And now I'm gonna carve out, make sure I do this on camera, I'm gonna carve out a shape like this that's round. It's like a half arch. There we go. Here we go, governor. Get that wet. Scorzy, scorzy. Gonna place it, and then I'll score this other part. Ah, yeah, that's pretty good. See that? Here we go. That's better. So this has got to be pretty large because there's two little branches that are going to come off of it. Okay, that's going to work. pull it off, I can see where to attach my superior Vena Cava. Cool. You see where I'm putting it? Putting it to the right of the left pulmonary artery. It's fairly vertical in orientation. It's pretty much parallel with the aortic arch. Yeah, it's pretty vertical. Here's my other heart to give you an idea. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this in. See you in the next video. Bye guys.